Welcome to class 3 English class. In today's class, we are going to start a new lesson, a new chapter, Bird Dog. So what is the name of the chapter? It's Bird Dog. Birds. Have we seen birds? Certainly we have seen many birds around us. We have seen birds like crow, sparrow, dove, parrot, myna, peacock and many more. And do we love them? Yes, we love them. And sometimes we wish to be bird. If we wish if we had wings like birds, we wish if we are birds we could fly. But have we ever thought what the birds think of us? No, generally we don't think. But in today's class, let us read a poem where we will be able to see that two birds are talking with each other and they are talking about the human beings. They are talking about us. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. So one day two birds, jay and robin, were sitting in a garden. They were talking with each other. They told each other to think. Think of what? Let's see in the next stanza. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So they are thinking about people. They are thinking the way the people grow. Even they were telling that people don't have feathers like birds. Next stanza. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. So people, they don't eat beetles. Even they don't grow wings like birds. Even they don't sit on wires or other things where the birds like to sit usually. Now let's read the next stanza. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So it seems very funny to the birds, the way people live their life. So let's have a look at the summary of the poem. So in the poem, two birds, Robin and Jay, are talking with each other. They are talking about the human beings. They are surprised that human beings don't have feathers and they grow up differently. Even they don't eat beetles, they don't like sitting on words and other things like birds. And this is quite funny for them. Now let's watch the video.
Do you think birds find people funny? Let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. Birds talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on birds and things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on birds and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Hope you have enjoyed the poem. Thank you.
Very nice, na? It's okay. Now let us learn the new words. Beetles, one kind of insects. Sitting, in a seated position. Words, thin and flexible rod, and funny, amusing, or laughable. Now let us know the rhyming words from the poem. J, day, grow, no, wings, things. J, way. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice